What's up, guys? Okay, well, we have found ourselves in Arkansas. Why? Well, that's where the dumb troopers are at. And we're going to read this little article right here, and then we're going to go to the video and see what's up in Arkansas. Dashcam shows dangerous police encounter that sparked lawsuit in Arkansas. A lawsuit from 27-year-old Peyton Malaya said she was wrongfully detained at gunpoint at a Fayetteville gas station while with her 4-year-old child. Fayetteville, Arkansas. Newly obtained dashcam video shows the moments an Arkansas mom was detained at gunpoint at a Fayetteville gas station with her 4-year-old, an incident which has sparked a federal lawsuit. Peyton Malaya, 27, and her child were at Casey's General Store on July 12, 2024, when her car was surrounded by 4 Arkansas State Police troopers. Troopers are seen in the video armed with weapons and ordering Malaya to get on the ground. She was handcuffed, helped to her feet, and released minutes later. A lawsuit filed over a year after the incident claims that the detainment was a mistake and that 4 troopers violated her constitutional rights. The troopers were identified as Taylor Elkins, Randall Schwab, Brandon Walker, and Shane Alcar, all Northwest Arkansas residents with Arkansas State Police Troop L. The lawsuit claims that during the encounter after Malaya had been handcuffed, Alcar went to the front of the car and determined the vehicle's VIN was not a match. You'd think they'd have done that from the beginning for the vehicle they were actually looking for that day. According to court documents, the troopers were looking for a white 2013 Lincoln MKZ, and she drove a white 2009 MKS. The defendants got the wrong car and the wrong suspect. They all immediately knew those facts, the lawsuit said. Complaint said her and her child were put in fear of their lives by the troopers' actions and that they each displayed an unreasonable and excessive level of deadly force in a busy Casey's parking lot. They always do. Also, her and her child were in fear for their lives. Why couldn't they? What the cops always do when they're in fear for their lives. Peyton Malaya has never been connected to any criminal activity. She created absolutely no reasonable suspicion that would allow the defendants to act the way they did, the suit said. Their drawn guns, coupled with their actions and words, made the clear statement, comply with our demands, or you and your little boy risk getting shot and possibly killed. An ASP spokesperson has confirmed to 5 News that all 4 troopers remain employed with the agency. Of course they do. They always investigate themselves and they find out they did nothing wrong. 5 News reached out to ASP and Peyton's legal counsel and request comment during the initial reporting. However, we sent new requests and received a dashcam video. Her attorneys opted not to comment, while an ASP spokesperson said they generally don't comment on pending litigation, but we're seeking direction on how to respond to 5 News questions. They're not going to comment, but they're going to release dashcam footage. Anyway, the experts are going to weigh in. We're going to go not to this one because there's going to be all kinds of shit popping up. We're going to go to this one and watch the dumbasses. Now, they're on the interstate coming in to the gas station. Still don't know. All we know is it's a white whatever. Don't know why they're looking for this car.
We need somebody to probably stay over here in case he gets back out and jumping right behind him.
Yeah, hey, somebody cut right here and go to the other side to see where it goes.
Through the little corners.
Yeah.
Hill is aware and he's 1019 also.
I'm listening to you. Shane. Schwab, you gonna go straight?
Just let me go straight there.
Also, I'd like to note, when they make this right-hand turn, they turn into the wrong lane. I'm just throwing that out there. They'll write you a ticket for that.
Okay.
No.
Shane, you and me want to go right and go in on the right side there.
Are you going to go straight, Randall?
Yeah, I'm going to go straight. We're going to go ahead and try to take it down there.
I mean, if he's there, we need us to make sure he's in the car, though.
Yes, we need somebody in the car.
You just want to block the exits and shut it down, or what do you want to do?
I mean, can we exit in this gas station, the front door here, and then the one on the right?
Do you want to shut down the parking lot, though, or no, the car can't leave and nobody can get out?
Yeah, well,
It shows this kind of exit going to Futural Drive and Weddington.
yeah. Right, you make it.
Okay, everybody, driving 101. When you make a turn, do you turn into the lane closest to you, or do you turn into the lane furthest from you?
Right, huh? Hey,
Lane closest to you. Be this lane, dumbass.
don't do anything unless there's somebody in the car.
Looks like there's a female standing on the passenger side.
Oh, is that it right
Now
there?
let's remember, there's 4 of them coming in. They have eyes on her, trust and believe.
I think so.
Also, how would they not know if they're looking for a male or a female? If there's going to be children involved, typically that's information you would have readily available before this shit goes down.
Tell you more about the car.
Yeah, it is.
In the white Lincoln.
Yeah, go.
You want to get it?
Yeah.
Does this look like a hardened criminal to you? I'm just saying. You can't make this up. She's like, what the hell's going on here? I'm confused. They could have said, ma'am, we're looking for a car and we think you might match the description. We're not sure. We're going to check the ticker up here and see if your car matches. And if it doesn't, we'll be on our way. Because we're looking for a white car, MKX, MKZ, different here. Temporary tag. What's the odds? Look at this. Look at the show of force. She's like, what the immortal hell? This should have been a clue. They had the wrong car. This one could have walked up and checked the VIN. Any of them could have checked the VIN. All this static and this racket you're going to hear is going to be on their end.
Put your hands behind your back. Is there anybody else that you came up here in the store with? Hey, let's make sure nobody showed up with her.
At no point did the dickheads, where's their dickhead hats at, realize they had the wrong car. They don't care. There's no accountability.
Did anybody else see that car was there coming south? I need to know, I'm not playing. Did anybody else come in this local? This little boy knows what that is.
I think the one that just walked off looked at the VIN and said, wrong car. That's why they're taking her out of the cuffs. Yes, lawsuit. just going to go on business as usual.
Yeah, I am. Just forget to let her go.
You're going to let her go? Yeah, we're out. We're off to harass the next innocent victim.
Well, that ain't gonna be her.
That ain't going to be her. Nope. Stop. See if we can stop it. Let's go down to the comments right quick for her. If we can get to them, sue them. They knew they had the wrong person from the get-go. Yes. Back to blue till it happens to you. Before you make a felony stop, you verify it's the right vehicle. These troopers are idiots. Most of them are. They will investigate themselves and find everyone involved were heroes. End qualified immunity immediately. Yes. See, the issue with that is they've ended qualified immunity in a lot of states and nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Not one good apple in that orchard. They're all rotten to the core. Yes. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. I didn't mention it before, but like 87% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.